Naghahanap ka ba ng budget meal guitar na maganda ang quality at ang tunog? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. What's up, Maniacs? Ang hawak ko nga pala ay ang Heartstring acoustic guitar na 38 inches. As you can see, maganda talaga ang finish ng guitar na to, unlike other budget meal guitars na available sa market. At mukha din naman tong matibay. Regarding naman sa sound, excited ka na ba? Mamaya isa-soundcheck natin yan. First, let's see what's inside the box. So ayan, well packaged ang pinadala sa atin ng Heartstring. Take note, from Cebu pa ito at tayo naman ay taga San Mateo, Rizal. Oh, di ba? No scratches and dents ang guitar na na-receive natin. Sa freebies naman, nako nag-uumapaw to guys. Isa-isahin natin. Meron tayong bag, clip-on tuner, picks and holder, capo or capo, pickguard, extra strings, strap, at extra bridge pins. Wow, sosyal. Okay, the moment of truth. I-soundcheck na natin to. Ito guys ang actual sound ng guitar kapag mabili mo. Hindi ko pa to nasa-setup pero I'm sure may igaganda pa to kapag saktong-sakto na action. So, strum test. Not bad. Okay, plucking naman guys. Gustong-gusto ko yung sustain niya, ang tagal. If you like this guitar, just copy the link, then send mo na kay Ninong. That's it guys, see you!